Don't have a lot, but at least I know y'all working on the homework. I got a few that came in. And 155. And by subject. Got a few to go over. There they are. Okay, looks like we got a 6.4 to go over. 6.4, 155,003. And that is 6.4, 45, 6.4, 45/18. And let's see what this one looks like. Go ahead and write it down. The distance D. Y'all awful quiet today. Y'all all right? Yeah, Hubert, we're fine.
I talked too much last time, so my throat hurts.
Oh, you did? Well, somebody else can talk. Y'all feel free to talk if y'all want to. That ain't happening. The distance D that a rock falls when dropped from a cliff varies directly as the square of the time. So I'm going to pull up my handy dandy whiteboard. And I'm going to says directly.
Before you continue, can I ask a stupid question?
Uh-oh. Yeah, go ahead.
Did anyone else's screen gets bigger? Like my Microsoft Team thing, everything is a lot bigger for some reason than it used to be, and it's not fitting on my screen.
Anybody notice anything different? Okay, Mr. Pack, it's just your imagination and whatever medication you're on, so, or whatever you're drinking. That's what it is. So it's probably, I don't know. I haven't noticed anything different. I'm looking, I don't see anything different. All right. Y varies directly as what? K times X. So there is our, and that comes from the word directly. Now I'm going to change Y into D equals K times what? T. If a rock falls 144 feet in 3 seconds, well, at that point, we know we got to solve for K because it's the only thing that's left. That's why the comma is also behind seconds. The comma means pause. So here, the K by itself means pause, and divide by 3. K is equal to 144 divided by 3. Take my handy dandy calculator, which it was pulled up. I guess it's gone now. And take 144 and divide it by 3. And 3 will go in there, what, 4 times? 24, I get 46. What do y'all get?
48.
48, I'm sorry. Take that, K is equal to 48, and do what with it? Plug it what?
Plug it in.
Thank you. I tell you, next semester, you know what I'm thinking about doing? All videos should be on. All videos. From now on, I'm going to start doing that next semester, starting next semester. D is equal to K times T. So D is equal to 48 times T. Now go back to the question. Sorry. Go back to the question. And our question is right there. How far will it fall in 7 seconds? D is equal to 48 times 7. And take our handy dandy calculator. 48 times 7, 336. So after 7 seconds, it will fall 336 feet. Is that a test question? Oh, yeah. Oh, I didn't do the square, did I? Did I not do the square? I didn't. I forgot the square. So we'll do another problem now. We'll just do a different problem. I'll do the square now. D, our y is equal to kx. D is equal to k times t. And they said in the question, I'm just doing problem now. I did a different problem a while ago. It says the square of t. There we go. And 144 is equal to k times 3 squared, which is 9. And k is equal to, well, 9 will go in there one time, 16. Take that 16, plug it back in. D is equal to 16t squared. And they say we need to plug in 7. D is equal to 16 times 49. Hold on a second. 16 times 50. 16 times 50. I was trying to think of an easy way to do that. You could do 16 times 50 and get 800. Now, would that work? I don't know if that'll work or not. 800 and minus 16 is going to be 84, so that would be 784. Somebody check my math. 784.
Right.
So this problem, I just warmed you up because I didn't read the problem. So I just warmed you up with that one because I didn't square it. And this one you square it. So sorry about that. I suck. All right. So let me get rid of this. Bring this down a little bit. And D is our answer. Next. And 784 feet. That's a good test question. Good job, whoever sent it. Next, 6.5, 15/10. 6.5, 15/10. Okay, graph the solution set of the inequality. Negative x over 2 greater than or equal to 8. Now this is the one that you can get rid of the negative by multiplying through by -2. You can do that, but it's going to switch the inequality. So the only thing you can do with this one is you can multiply through by -2 and remember to switch the inequality. So I'm going to take my handy dandy pink marker. Wait a minute. I think you said you didn't like pink. So I'm going to do blue. This is one of those problems that you can't do. You can't do a positive variable. So you're just going to have to remember the rule And that rule says that when you multiply or divide by a negative, it switches the what? Inequality. And number line 0, 16, negative 16. What numbers are less than negative 16? Less means left. So I'm going to put a closed circle here. And what numbers are less than? That would be to the left. And what's this arrowhead called here? Negative infinity. This arrowhead is called positive infinity. Do your set builder notation, put two braces around it and X such that. All right, somebody tell me, which way do we read?
Left or right?
So what does your eyeballs hit first?
The arrow, negative infinity.
Negative infinity, and what does it end on?
Negative 16.
And you get a bracket here and a parenthesis here. Now, I've shown you and told you why we use parentheses and brackets and closed circles and open circles. So revert back to the notes from Wednesday to if you don't know. That's a good test question. Good job. I don't like to do these. I like to keep the variable positive. So you might see one of these on the test. Next. 6.5, 47/21. 6.5, 47/21. And let's see what it looks like. First of all, is it a test question? No, it's too busy. I can already tell you it's not a test question because it's too busy. It's got too much going on. Okay, so I wouldn't put this as a test question. But you might want to, write it down for as a homework question. All right, the following graph shows the widget production in millions in the United States for years 2002 through 2009. And here's the money they made, or whatever. How many they made? Yeah, how many they made. Okay, in which years was the number of widgets produced greater than 8.4? Where are they greater than 8.4? I'll write this down and we'll go along. Okay. So A, when has the production been greater than 8.4? That means I want y'all. What?
2003.
2003?
2004.
2004?
2006.
2006?
And 2008.
And 2008. Thank you, Miss Goodman. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now you know all these other people besides Mr. Pack and Miss Grindle. I hope she's not here today. She must be still sick. You know they're all looking at you like, Miss Goodman, I wish she'd shut up. But you keep on doing that, okay? You keep on communicating. B, you won't have a corner office in the closet. All right, B. What numbers, what productions are less than or equal to 8.4? Somebody beside Miss Goodman. I'm gonna spread the wealth. I'm gonna make sure everybody can interact. Which numbers are less than or equal to 8.4?
2002.
2002, good. What else?
2005.
2007.
2005.
2007, 2009.
Hold on. That's not supposed to show up. 2000 what? 2007, 2009, is that what you said?
Yes.
C. C says greater than or equal to 10.3. Greater than or equal to 10.3. Okay, so that would be greater than or equal to, that would be what? 2003, 2004, 2006. Y'all help me out.
That's right.
2003, 2004, and 2006. And D, production is less than 6.6. And that's going to be 2002. And that's it. So C would be 2003. Why do they put these out of order? That is so ridiculous. 2004, 2006. And the last one is 2002. And I do appreciate very much those people that are interacting. Thank you. Next, 6.5, 50/22. 6.5, 50/22. Chris can be paid in one of two ways. Plan A is a salary of $320 per month plus a 7% commission on sales. Plan B is a salary of $564 per month plus a commission of 3% sales. For what amount is Chris better off selecting A, plan A? So that means plan A needs to be greater than or equal to plan B. Everybody with me? Now you could argue greater than, because if you want to make $1 more, then it would be greater than. So what you're going to do is, since plan A is being asked about, for what amount of sales is Chris better off? Better off means plan A pays what? More. Okay, so where is that? Well, that would be greater than, right? You don't want equal to, you want greater than. So that's going to be $320 per month plus 0.07x is greater than 564 per month, and we're going to do that in just a minute, plus 0.03x. Now, how many months are there? There are 12 months, Hubert. That's right, class. Thank you very much for the interaction. So 12 times 320 is 3840. Somebody help me out. What's 320 times 12?
3840.
Plus 0.07x is greater than 6748. I don't know. What is it? What's 564 times 12?
6768.
6768. Y'all forgive me for making that one little error. I appreciate it. Plus 0.03x. Which one's the smallest bucket? 0.03 is your smallest bucket. Bring it across the river. 0.03x. That's going to be 0.04x. And I'm going to bring 3840 across the river. And that's going to be 8, 2, 17 minus 8 is 9. And 5 minus 3 is 2. Somebody check my math. 29, 28.
Yes.
And divide by 0.04, please. And I'm not Rain Man, so I can't do that. Somebody give me 29, 28 divided by 0.04. What do you get?
7320.
73 what?
20.
Even? No decimals?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Oh, hold on.
So-
No, I divided that wrong. I'm sorry. I did
Okay.
0.4. It's
Okay.
73,200.
There we go. I thought it was a little bit low.
Sorry.
All right, so he needs to make, when he starts making more than $73,200 sales, Plan A will be better than Plan B. Now, that's if I set this problem up right. That's the way I read it. So let's see what the answer is. 73,200. 73,200. Let me see. I might have had the wrong. They might have used equal to. Hold on. No, I got something totally different. Did they multiply by 12? Yeah. Wait a minute. Okay, they didn't figure the month. Okay, they didn't multiply. Okay, I got a problem with this question. I'll tell you why. Okay, I got a problem. I did it for the year. Okay. Look at the question. What does it say? It says Chris can be paid in one of two ways. Plan A is $320 per month plus a commission. Plan B is $564 per month plus a commission. For what amount of sales is Chris better off? I think they should say, for what amount of sales per month is Chris better off? Because I multiplied by 12. Okay, I figured it for the year. So put up here for the year. Why did I multiply by, I turned 320 into a yearly salary. Okay, and I turned 564 into a yearly salary. Where is it? There it is. Yearly. So I'm going to go back and we're going to do it just for the month. I'm sorry. So that's going to be 320 plus 0.07x is greater than or equal to 564 plus 0.03x. You're still going to do it the same way. It's just that I multiplied by 12. I thought they were talking about it per year. And this is the smallest bucket. So minus 0.03x is 0.04x is equal to minus 320. That's going to be 462. Okay, now somebody take 0.04 and divide it into 224. What do you get?
It should be 244.
244, thank you.
And it's 6,100.
So this is per month. And if you multiply that, somebody multiply 6,100 by 12. So what you get?
73,200.
That's per year. So most of the time, if I ask you what do you make, most of you, when you get into a career, you're going to say, "Oh, I make blah 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 per year." That's what you usually think. So my mistake. Next question. Next question is 6.5. If that's the same one. Yeah. Miss Williamson, you good there? Mr. Pack, you good?
Yes, sir.
And Miss Goodman?
Yes.
All three good there?
Yes.
Okay. Now, the good news is we're done with the homework. Bad news is I don't have enough time because I got a meeting at 1 o'clock. But I'm going to show you what's on the test. And then if we need to, I'll talk to you on Monday. If we need to, we'll go over it. But I'm going to show you right quick what the test looks like. So you can see that I did put 80% of 6.2 and 6.5 on the test. So let's do that right quick. As soon as I can find assignment manager and go down to the test. They have got this set up since it's a new book. They got it bass backwards. There we go. And Unit 2, I got to assign it. Sorry, I thought I assigned it. Wait a minute. I thought I put the dates on it. I didn't put the dates on it either. I thought I did. Didn't y'all see me? No. Today is just a messed up day. I guess it's just, I thought I did. There it is. Today's the 26th. Oh, 3/31. I wasn't thinking. Okay, yeah. January, February, March. Okay, it is 3/31. Okay, I just wasn't thinking. Okay, so here it is. And we're going to go into preview. I'm not going to go over the bonus questions, okay? All right. So there's a bonus question. There's a bonus question. There's a bonus question. It's not supposed to bunch them up like that. All right, solve the equation. F, as in fox, over 5 minus 5 is equal to 1. That is a equation. You're going to get F by itself. So you're going to bring 5 over and then multiply by 5. What's 5 times 5? Well, wait a minute. 4 times 5 is what? Well, let me bring it over. Let me do it. F over 5. F over 5 minus 5 is equal to 1. Bring the 5 over. That becomes positive what?
6.
5. F over 5 is equal to 6. Multiply by 5. F is equal to what? 30. That's out of 6.2. I told you most of your questions, 6.2 and 6.5. This one is 6.3. A is equal to G over R. A is equal to G over R, and divide, and we want to solve for G. So divide through by R. G is equal to A over R. Make sure you do not change the capitalization of your numbers. If they are lowercase, you leave them lowercase. If they are capitalized, you leave them capitalized. Next. Bonus. Combine like terms, 6.2. That's just combine like terms. You're not going to solve it. You're just going to combine like terms. You're going to distribute. I'll do that one for you. I know I shouldn't be doing them, but I don't mind doing them. -3 times 4r plus 4 minus 3r plus 6 minus 6r plus 10. And the first thing you're going to do is distribute negative 12R minus 12 minus 3R minus 6. That's a negative 1. Minus 6R plus 10. Negative 12 minus 3R is negative 15R. Minus 6R is negative 21R. You owe 12, you owe 6, you owe 18. If you owe $18 to somebody and you give them 10, how much do you still owe them? You still owe 8. So negative 21R minus 8. Next, solve equation for y. We did one like this in class. I remember doing that one. We did one like that in class, and I have to go, and that's number 7. So, Mr. Pack, you there?
Yes.
Make sure you remind me we did at least 7 problems, and we'll go over the rest of the test Monday. Now, if you want to work on the test over the weekend, you knock yourself out, okay? All right, y'all have a good weekend, and I will see you all Monday, okay?
You too.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye, Mr. Hubert.